on the leash instead of back.
Look at that. He's flipped the switch.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
After he bites, if he's pulling your arm too much, you can reach up with your other hand and grab the end of that sleeve to help. Ready?
It's just like at home. I swear, it's just like at home. My dogs do that.
Oh. Yep, his tail's wagging, and look.
Yeah, I see that.
He's playing.
And he could reach over and pet him on the head with his other hand.
It don't matter. You
He won't let go of that grip. As long as it's a good grip, he won't let go of that grip. Okay. Now just hold still. Stop, steer! 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 Steer!
He wants to bite him again.
Isn't that amazing how you just